In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a PowerPoint presentation onto a pen drive. This is a simple process, yet it's incredibly important for anyone who needs to transfer their presentation from a computer to an external storage device quickly and efficiently. Perhaps you're heading off to a meeting or class, or maybe you just want to back up your work. Whatever the case, saving to a pen drive is something you'll want to master. Let's start by ensuring that PowerPoint is open on your computer. If you haven't already done this, locate the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double click it to launch the program. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to your presentation by either opening a recent file or finding it through the Open option under the File tab if it's stored locally on your machine. Next, go to the File tab, which you will find in the top left corner of the window. Clicking on this brings up a drop-down menu that lists several options for what you can do with your current presentation. Look for the Save a Copy option here. Clicking this option signals to PowerPoint that you want to save this presentation in a new location or as a different version. After selecting Save a Copy, the program will prompt you with various saving options. This is where you want to click on Browse so you can specify the exact location where you intend to save your presentation. A File Explorer window will open up, showing you the different directories on your computer. Now let's navigate to your pen drive. Make sure your pen drive is properly connected to your computer's USB port. You should see your pen drive listed under this PC or My Computer, often named something simple like removable disk or with the name you assign to it. Click on the drive to open it as your destination folder for the presentation. Once you have located your pen drive, it's time to give your presentation a name. This step is crucial because a descriptive title will help you quickly identify your presentation in the future. In the file name field, provide a clear and concise name for your presentation that reflects its content or the event it pertains to. Finally, click on the Save button. Your presentation will now be saved onto your pen drive. It's a good habit to always double check by going to your pen drive and making sure the file is there. Knowing that your presentation is safely stored gives you peace of mind, whether you're preparing to make a big presentation or simply ensuring your hard work is backed up. And there you have it, you've successfully saved your PowerPoint presentation to your pen drive, making it easily portable and secure.